Hello guys, welcome back with the second puzzle in this additional of today's newspaper on Wednesday. Yes, Wednesday, August the 18th, 2021. We have two puzzles left, tectonic with 4 stars and a binary. I think we will do the binary first. Yes, boys and girls, for you especially. And this will be number 3262. Alright, 3262. And what kind of binary puzzle is this? Let me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's an 8 by 8 binary puzzle. That means in a column or in a row there are always 4 O's and 4 1s. Alright, so let's get started. Here we have also 4 O's, so the rest are 1s. Between two ones comes an O, between two O's comes an 1, between two ones comes an O, between two O's comes an 1. Double O, here 1, there 1. Now we have 4 1s, so the rest are O's. Double 1, here an O, there an O. Between two O's comes an 1. Double 1, here an O, there an O. Then 1 2 3 1 2 3. So the fourth O should be in one of those 3 boxes. So this box should be a 1. Okay. 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3. I cannot place the fourth 1 here. Otherwise we have 3 O's in a row in this row. Not allowed, one of the rules, so this cannot be a 1, this should be an O. And now we have 3 O's, and the fourth O should be in one of those 3 boxes. Otherwise we have 3 1s in this column. So this box should be in a 1, okay. So the O should be there. Let me see. Can I do anything here? Well. Cannot compare this one. Can I compare the column? Oh, 1, oh, the first column and this column. 0 0 1 1 0 0 1 1 empty box. 0 0 empty box 1 1. So we need to switch these 2 digits. We have a 1 here, this should be an O. We have an O there, this should be a 1. Between 2 O's comes in 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Between 2 1s comes an O. Now we have 4 O's, so the rest are 1s. Double 1, here no, there no. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. 4 1s we have, so the rest are O's. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. 1 2 3 4 O's, so the rest are 1s. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Now we have 4 1s, so the rest are O's. Here we have 4 O's, so the rest are 1s. Between 2 1s comes an O. Finish in 4 minutes. Wow! Only 1 time for comparing. I like this one. Yes, I will do. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file, so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the last Sudoku, no, puzzle, tectonic puzzle with 4 stars. And prepare this one for this one because it will be a difficult one with less printed digits, so could be a 4 stars. So see you then, bye bye for now.